In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Dell laptop keeps shutting down for no apparent reason. So to fix this, you first need to head to the search menu and then type in System Settings. Now click on View Advanced System Settings at the top. In this window, you will need to go to the Startup and Recovery section and then click on the Settings button. Now here make sure that the automatic restart option is not selected. If it's selected, simply untick it and then click on OK. Now click on OK again. Now the next thing you need to do is head to the search menu again and this time type in Edit Power Plan. Now select the first result that appears. In this window, select this Restore Default Settings for this plan and then click on Yes to confirm. Now go back to this Power Options menu. Now here select Choose what the power buttons do, and in this menu select this Change settings that are unavailable. Now if the fast startup option is selected, simply uncheck it from here and then click on Save Changes. Now if you still experience problems, right click on the start icon and then select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, you will first need to expand batteries. Now here you might see one or two entries. Simply right click on the first entry first and then select Uninstall Device. Now click on Uninstall again. If you see second entry as well, simply uninstall it as well. After that, simply go ahead and restart your Dell laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if you still experience problems, your next option is to simply head to the search menu and then type in Command Prompt and then select this Run as Administrator option. Now in the command prompt window, you will need to run a couple of commands. I'll also leave them in the description so you can copy them from there. So simply first copy the first command and then paste it here and then hit enter. After running this command, simply copy the second command and then paste it here and then hit enter again. After running both these commands, restart your Dell laptop one more time and your issue should be resolved. However, if you still experience problems, your next option is to simply shut down your Dell laptop. Once it is completely off, simply unplug everything, that includes all the USB devices as well as the charger. Now simply press and hold the power button on your Dell laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, simply plug everything back in and see if the issue is resolved. If nothing else works, however, your last option is to clean your Dell laptop completely and make sure any vents are not blocked. If your laptop is overheating due to blocked vents or dirt or dust, you may need to clean it to fix the problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.